Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get better rods and fish at Roblox. Now, fishing rods are the most important part of progression in the game. The better your rod is, the higher your luck, the faster your fishing speed, and the heavier the fish you can catch. That means more valuable fish and a lot more money. At the start of the game, one of the best rods you should get is the lava rod. You can obtain this for free by talking to the lava fisherman inside the Kohana volcano. This rod already gives you a big boost compared to the starter rod, letting you catch stronger fish early and start making real money. Once you've farmed enough cash, your next goal should be the lucky rod. You can buy it from the rod shop for about 15,000 coins, and this rod gives a massive jump in luck and speed, which helps you catch rare fish much more often and progress faster. When you reach the mid game, the next upgrade to aim is Chrome Rod. This rod has much higher stats and is great for farming rare fish and building up your money quickly. After that, you want to try to get the hazmat rod from the traveling merchant. It has very high luck and speed, making it perfect for catching heavy and valuable fish. Later in the game, one of the best rods you can unlock is the Ghost Fin rod, which you can get by completing the deep sea quest on the Lost Isle. Now, this rod makes it much easier to catch legendary and mythic fish. And finally, the strongest rod currently in the game is the Element Rod. It has extremely powerful stats, but unlocking it requires completing a difficult quest with puzzles and rare materials. And once you get it though, you'll be able to catch almost any fish in the game. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!